What's up, Stellar XLM holder? And last 7 days, Stellar XLM price is 20.45% increase. Now that's a very huge change, my friend, in the price. Definitely, my friend, that's all credit goes to holder, because when a holder are starting holding, so definitely the price is increasing. Congratulations to this time, my friend. The price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. And this time, my friend, as you can see here, the change occurring in last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last, my friend, you can see here 7 day. Every change occur is gone very good now. Really nice jumps, my friend, in the prices. But don't worry, my friend, this time you can see here the price is absolutely increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So if you starting buying, if you starting holding, so obviously you are doing very right now, my brother. So please do this what I tell you. I am 100% sure, my friends, to you will get a very good profit. My prediction is 100% going positive, my friends, because I already predicted this coin. And this time you can see the direction is completely moving in an upward direction. So absolutely, after a dump, every coin will thumbs up, and in Stellar XLM, my friend, will Stellar XLM, as my friend, collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore the price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing. And this time, my friend, I hope, my friend, the current price is 0.3 USD dollar. I hope they will recover all the loss, and they will get again very good profit. 0.5 USD dollar, this is our target, my friend. I hope this target they will easily hit now. But if they just only hit this target, so I am 100% sure, my friend, to in upcoming time Stellar XLM will make you millionaire now. So thanks for watching, Stellar XLM holder. Kindly like this video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative and urgent updates video. Allah Hafiz, take care.